Your PC is powerful, but Windows 11 might be holding it back. In this video, I will show you how to unlock maximum FPS, reduce input lag, and make your games feel smoother without installing risky software. Let's run Windows 11 into a gaming machine. Before we start, quick truth. These tweaks do not magically double FPS, but based on real-world testing and user reports, they reduce stutter, stabilize frame times, and improve consistency, especially on mid-range systems. Results depends on CPU, GPU, RAM, drivers, and game engine. Step 1. Enable game mode. Open your settings, come over into the search option, and here simply search for game mode. And then here you will going to find out an option called turn on game mode. Just simply turn it on. That's it. What it does, it's prioritize game process, limit background updates and system tasks. This is officially recommended by Microsoft, no downside. Our step 2 is set games to high performance GPU. Go for settings, click on system, then simply go for display and scroll a little bit, and then you're going to find graphics, and here you're going to find the option called add desktop app. From here you will going to select your app and then simply select here high performance. That's it. Why it matters? Forces dedicated GPU usage, prevents Windows from switching to integrated graphics, especially important for laptops. Our step 3 is switch power mode to best performance. First, open up settings, simply go for system, then power, set power mode and best performance. Note, increases power usage, laptop may heat up faster but use cooling or play while plugging in. Our step 4 is disable Xbox Game Bar recording. First you have to open settings for that, then simply select gaming and then simply find out Xbox Game Bar. Then turn it off if you don't record clips. Why you need to do that? Background recording can increase CPU usage, reduces frame drops in CPU heavy games on. If you stream or clip gameplay, then keep it on. Our step 5 is kill background app. First you have to go for task manager and then you can simply go for startup section. From here, disable apps you don't need while gaming. And the benefits, it frees your RAM and reduces sudden lag spikes. Our step 6 is enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Well, you just have to open settings, then you need to go for system, then you look for display, then simply select graphics. Into the graphics, select default graphics setting. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling and don't forget to restart your PC. Reality check helps some systems, natural or slightly negative for others. If you followed every step, your system is now running at its gaming potential. If you want to game specific FPS guides, drop the game name in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.